Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering what Gemini needs: a few reference images and clear decisions about size and mood. Upload your references and set the aspect ratio because the model interprets framing literally. Next, write a concise prompt that lists subject, action, lighting, and style in that order. This influences composition and realism. Once done, add constraints like color palette or lens type. Make sure to keep each instruction short and concrete so Gemini can follow them precisely. You now expand the prompt into a structured format. Subject first, then action, environment, and lighting, followed by artistic style and camera specifics. That order helps Gemini prioritize composition. Adjust quality settings, choose high for final images, medium for fast iterations, and select sampling steps if available. If you want to avoid artifacts, add negative prompts listing what not to include. Once configured, run a small test render to verify composition and tweak any ambiguous wording before committing to a full high-resolution generate. You finish by refining the best candidate. Compare outputs, change single words that alter expression or lighting, and swap or crop references to nudge pose or framing. When satisfied, export in the correct format and confirm resolution and color profile to match your pipeline. If you encounter problems like odd anatomy or wrong lighting, simplify the prompt, increase sampling quality, or replace a misleading reference. These fixes often resolve most failures. Remember to save prompt versions so you can reproduce successful results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.